Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to make money using the Aviator app in 2025. Let's start by creating your account. It's quick and easy. Follow these simple steps. Understanding how Aviator works is essential. Let's dive into the game mechanics and how everything unfolds. Before betting, it's important to set your budget. Here are some strategies for responsible betting. Now, it's time to make your first bet. Here's a walkthrough of placing bets effectively. Want to maximize your wins? Here are some tips and tricks that successful players swear by. Don't forget to take advantage of available bonuses and promotions to boost your earnings. Tracking your progress is key. Let's analyze your betting patterns and results. It's essential to understand responsible gambling. Know when to stop and seek help if needed. We hope you feel empowered to start your journey with the Aviator app. Good luck, and have fun!